In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make a vision board. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you details on how to make a vision board. Now, I literally did something amazing today. I led a vision board workshop with the one and only Kelly Rowland. She was a part of Destiny's Child. I know you know Kelly, she's amazing. The whole thing was head by Unilever, and Unilever, they make all these amazing products. You know, Dove, Shea Moisture. Anyway, so let's get into vision boards. So there are so many different types of vision boards out there. There are digital vision boards, there are physical representations, there's all kinds, like you can even put them on the back of your phone, the background of your phone. There are so many different things, but today I have this vision board that I created for the class, the workshop, but I'm gonna share it with my powerful creators too. And so I like to put a bunch of different vision boards, or excuse me, photos, like big photos as my background to just get into the realm. And what I also like to do is I turn on music, vibrational music. And you guys know that I have my own music that I've created for you guys. So turn that on, get into the high vibes, the high feelings, and really feel this visualization going on. When you visualize, you are instantly creating your manifestation into your reality. And vision boards are so great because you are literally cutting out things that align with who you want to be, what you want to do, what you want to have. And your desires are so important because your desires are there for a reason. I don't believe that God just gives you desire to laugh at you. God gives you a desire because you are meant to fulfill it. You are meant to have it in your life. And it is all a part of the plot when it comes to things that you desire to have. And on the journey to your manifestations, on the journey of fulfilling your vision board, you are living in that plot. So when I have posted these big photos, I like to post smaller ones. Like I have a luggage here because I want to be able to pack my bags, get ready for my vacation. Now you can make a vision board whenever you want. You can make them once a month. You can make them every quarter, every 6 months. It does not matter. As long as you are in the good feeling mode and you're having fun, do what feels good to you. Also, there's so many different categories to manifestation. There's work, there's love life, family, friends, health, personal goals. And personal goals can be like reading, getting a coffee every first of the month. I think it's really important to have photos of people, and whoever you are, have photos of people that look similar to you, that look like you, because you really want to visualize yourself in that scenario. And as for me, as a black female, I want to see black females on my vision board. The last thing I want to say is you should have words on your vision board. So I have like the word instant, because I want my manifestations to come instantly. I want to feel them instantly. I have self-made woman. I have glow. And then I also found this one because it's important to me to feel gratitude when I'm doing my vision board. Thanking the universe, thanking God that this is already in my life because your desires already exist. So you're gonna post here like, thank you. Thank you. Thank you that all this that I desire is already in my life. Even though I can't see it, even though I physically can't hold it right now, it's already there. I believe it, I receive it, and now the only thing for you to do is to trust and let go. Thank you again for watching, powerful creators, and I will talk to you in my next video. Love you.